Hi, my name is Christina, and this is making decorations out of napkins. Making decorations out of napkins is a perfect way to make a bold and unique decor for your home. We're going to be making flowers using our napkins. These can be hung on walls or sat on tables for centerpieces. For this project, we're going to be using party napkins, string, and scissors. To start, we're going to be using 5 napkins. Unfold the napkins and lay them face up. Now, make sure that they are lined up, and we're going to start folding them. It doesn't matter what side you start folding them on since it's a square. I'm going to fold in about inch increments. Fold, turn over, and fold. Turn over and fold. Keep creasing. We're going to continue doing this until we reach the end. Now, using our string, we're going to lay the folded napkin down and tie it in the middle. Make sure you get it really tight, and also that one end is quite a bit longer than the other so that you have enough string in case you're hanging it. Next, using our scissors, we're going to cut the ends in a half circle. You could always make it pointed or inverted so that it's spiky. I like the rounded look because it makes it look like a flower petal. Now, gently lifting each layer, we're going to fan out our layers until you reach the last layer. The last step is to clip off any unnecessary string. Being able to make your own decorations not only saves you a lot of money, but it's also a great outlet for creativity. Napkin flowers are lovely and bold. Thanks for watching.